Welcome to my channel. This time I am presenting you how to install Facebook and other apps in Android devices that are manufactured in mainland China after 2018. Those devices do not support Google Play. Instead, they have their own Android operating system, security packages, and app stores. So you cannot find many applications like Facebook, X, or Twitter, Viber, and other applications. Here I am using Honor 9i Android mobile phone to teach you how to install apps. Android devices like mine have their own pre-installed web browsing app. In addition to that web browser, there may be other web browsing apps like Edge. If you do not have such additional browser, you have to follow downloading and installing steps similar to that I am presenting here. Since I have already installed Chrome, I am using this browser here to search websites containing Facebook APK packages. Now let's start installing process. First, open Google search engine in Chrome browser. Enter Facebook APK download for Android in a search box. I am selecting here APK Pure website. After APK Pure website opens, scroll down to search download APK icon and click on it. Once a new web page opens, scroll down to find download XAPK icon and click there. Then the APK starts downloading. Then you can see download in progress and downloading file icons somewhere in the screen. If it does not start downloading, click on the click here icon just above the how to install xapk/apk file icon, then it will download. After download has been completed, click on three dots arranged vertically on the top right corner of the Chrome browser. Then click downloads. Then click on package, Facebook package. Then there will appear pop-up icon with cancel or OK. There you should click OK. There will appear another pop-up icon with deny and allow text. Click allow. Again you will see cancel and install text. You just click on install. Now finally Facebook APK is installed. Now you could enjoy browsing Facebook app to connect with your friends, families and relatives. Like this application, you can install any other applications which have APK packages in web repositories. Good luck to your installing and using Android devices. Thank you.